These four corner pieces, which are used for protecting the corners during shipping, are stored right here on the top. Right, just like this. And they're ready for easy removal when we go to ship this to the next Costco. All right. It's now 3 days later, and we put this back. Oh, let's undo that. Okay, we have Velcro for a banner. This is first grade Velcro. Put this here. And we gave you 4 banners, so 1, 2 on the other side, 2 more. This is what happens, like that. You're done. It's always important when using Velcro to make sure you have it lined up straight. And if not, you can fix it. Right? The sound of Velcro. Okay, this is the completed booth display ready for business.